Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I haven't done one of these in a while, but I was pretty excited about this one because I really love this product and I just want to share it with you guys. I am collaborating with the company, so I have to give them a really big thanks for sponsoring this video. So I have this here. These are some Apple Watch bands and they are so pretty. They have rose gold and silver, and I always wear my Apple Watch because I just love it. It tracks my calories. It lets me know when I need to stand up. It lets me know when I need to breathe. It's crazy how, like, you know, how much information this watch gives you. But I can also answer my phone with my watch and, you know, just do a lot of stuff. So I'm always like wearing it. And this one is pretty old. I've had it for some years now, and as you can see, it's starting to like peel off and it's looking bad. So I definitely need to replace it. I love a very stylish bracelet, although I don't wear arm candy too much, but when it comes to my Apple Watch, I definitely want to dress it up because yeah, I like to be fancy like that. But okay, so I'm gonna take this one off, and this one has been giving me issues anyways. Water gets inside of this like case and it's just a pain sometimes, but it's not that stylish. I mean, it's, you know, a bracelet for an Apple Watch, you know, it's an accessory, but I want something that's way more stylish than this. And as you guys can see, look at how blinged out this bracelet is. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to wear it. So whenever you're gonna like switch out your band, you just press in, you know, here and just slide it out. So whenever you want to like switch out your bracelet, that's all you have to do. And when you want to put it on, all you have to do is slide it in. So here's the new one. Let me actually get up close so you guys can really see how beautiful it is. Look at that. Look at how glamorous this is. It's so pretty. And all you do is slide it to adjust it, so you don't have to worry about like the chains or getting like a chain connector type of device, because that's what I had to use with this one. But it's just so old now and it looks really bad, not really glamorous anymore. But you need a device to remove the links. You don't have to do that with this one. This, you just slide to adjust, and it's just super easy. So I'm definitely loving it. All right, so I have my watch, I have my bracelet, and all you do is slide it in, guys. Just slide it in. It's that simple. It's that easy. Just slide it in and you're good to go. And this is what the silver one looks like. So it's really pretty. And when you are adjusting the chains, you do want to press this in here, this ball. You just press it in, and you can loosen it, tighten it. So if you're just trying to do it without pressing it in, it's not gonna move. So you can grab the chain with your fingers and then squeeze it in and adjust. And this is so pretty. It looks like a pearl. It's so pretty. And then you have the glitter, and it's just so glamorous. You guys know I'm all about the glam. Look at my nails. Like, of course I love the glitter and glam. So I'm loving this one. But yeah, this rose gold is definitely my favorite. So I'm gonna be rocking this a lot. I'm definitely loving this one, guys. I will have it linked in the description box. I highly recommend it. You should definitely give it a try, especially if you have an Apple Watch and you want to just dress it up. That way you can wear it all the time, no matter the occasion. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. I really wanted to do this unboxing because I am definitely loving this product. I might just have to bring back these unboxing videos. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. Thumbs up if you did enjoy watching. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.